Hello, in this video I'm going to present the Breathing Alchemy Method 2, building our understanding on the parasympathetic nervous system, this time adding a 30-second breath hold into our breathing pattern. We're going to do 30-second inhale, 30-second hold, 30-second exhale. I'm going to demonstrate the technique and then I'm going to talk a little bit afterwards about the method. As you could see, at the end there, I pushed more forcefully just to show you guys that I still have relatively considerable amount of oxygen in my lungs. My body wanted to kind of push out and then inhale forcefully, but I managed to keep my body cool under pressure, fight the natural instinct of inhaling. One round of this breathing, I really do already feel much different. I feel more relaxed. My body feels more loose. And just mentally, I do feel a bit different because usually during the day, I like to do more energized breathing, you know, like a full-on diaphragm contraction, proper contraction with every single inhale and exhale. In essence, one round of this method should calm your body, and that is what the passive hold is for. It should calm the mind because we're doing a deep, slow, controlled exhale. And it should totally reset your breathing pattern, because if shallow breathing is 1 and 2 second exhales and 1 and 2 second inhales, then obviously if you're adding a 30-second inhale, 30-second exhale, and a breath hold in between, for someone who's just not used to that, it will just completely reset their breathing pattern, and it will allow the mind to get into a state they're not familiar with in any way, shape, and form. If I need to relax after a stressful situation or a stressful day, this is the type of breathing I'm doing. And it's very easy to notice with a slow, controlled inhale how your body goes from like a stiff, tensed frame into like a, you know, more fluid, fascia relaxed state. You really do feel the difference when you experience and experiment with proper breathing techniques. Parasympathetic system has many components to it. When you're doing stuff like Wim Hof method, which is sharp belly breathing through the mouth, you're only really understanding and touching one aspect of the parasympathetic nervous system, which is deep inhales. The system has many components, and in this method we're incorporating 3 different aspects of the parasympathetic nervous system. One is deep belly breathing, one is slow controlled breathing, and one is breath hold in between the inhale, in between the exhale. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you got any questions, anything to add on the breathing. Let me know how you felt after doing this method.